Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up or enroll for online banking account for BMO Bank. If you'd like to get access to your account easily from your electronic devices that you have from anywhere at any time, then you'll need to enroll for online banking. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your web browser. In the address field at the top of the screen, type in www.bmo.com and search. You'll end up in the official website of BMO Bank, which looks like this. Now, head over to the upper right hand corner and you should see a login button. If you've already enrolled for online banking, you can click on this drop down link, click on the online banking option, follow the instructions and sign into your account by entering your card number and your password. If you've not enrolled yet for online banking and you'd like to do so, you'll be able to see that there is a register for online banking option at the right hand side. If you are a credit card holder for BMO, go and click on the register online link right beside this option. If you are a credit card holder, go and click on the register button below right next to BMO credit card holders tab. Choose any one option and click it on according to your account type. Now, in order to register for digital banking, you'll need to have your debit card or credit card handy. Tap Next. Go ahead and type in your debit card or your credit card number in the text box that appears on the display. Once you are done, head over to the next field and type in your phone number that you used while opening up your bank account. Once you type in your phone number, click on Verify. Your account will be verified and you'll be taken to a next page. Simply follow the on-screen prompts, create a strong password for your account on the next page, and you'll be enrolled for online banking, quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.